What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got a new member of King Customs. That's my neighbor right there, his name Marcus. Yo. And he's not really the new member of King Customs, but he will be in some of the episodes helping me rebuild the new member of King Customs, which is this. This is our geotracker. Roll to the clips. This is our 2000 Chevy geotracker, and quite frankly, right now it's not much. This little Y2K warrior has seen better days, but as the years went on, it went through its fair share of neglect. This bucket of joy is an awesome little 4-cylinder with a 5-speed manual, as well as a 4x4. Oh, you gotta love that 4x4. Alrighty guys, so here is the geotracker. Right now we have been trying to crank this and jumpstart it for a while. It turned over and then it died as soon as I removed the jumper cables. So I'm gonna go test the battery with my meter real quick to see what the voltage is. It's been sitting for a long time, and we just killed a wasp nest. I think the wasp nest is somewhere right here. Pretty big. There it is. Yeah, so we just killed that, Marcus and I. He's over there, scared as hell. So we are gonna try to get this started. If we cannot, then what I have to do is just go purchase another battery. Hopefully I don't really have to, because I don't want to spend more than I need to on this build. But if it's what we have to do, it's what we have to do. Alrighty, so we hook this up here, and we hook this one up here. And we go to volts and give it a little check. These mosquitoes, man. 11.56. It has to be 12.6 to fully run. So Marcus grabbed the jumper cables. Basically what I'm going to do is hook the jumpers onto my truck's battery and then put it onto the terminals of this battery, check the voltage to see it's actually going up, put the wires back on and see if I can crank it again, because for some reason it should start up. If not, we have a problem.
No, Paul told me that he changed it.
And how long ago was that?
Well, it couldn't have been too long ago. Maybe a little over a year.
Okay, and it's been sitting here for a while, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, probably battery's bad. Alrighty guys, so unfortunately the battery is reading 13 when I have it hooked up, and then as soon as I crank it, it doesn't want to start, and then the voltage drops down to 11.4, and it stays like that for a little while. So I am gonna play it safe, pull this battery out, because it does say use battery on it, and these mosquitoes are so bad. But I'm gonna pull these out, go to AutoZone or something, see if they can test this battery for me, and let's see if it's just a bad cell in the battery. That's all I can do now. What you think, Marcus?
I agree.
Alright, see if I can pull this out without.
Make sure ain't no
Wasps.
Yeah. Look at that thing. Look at all that water. Yeah, that battery shot, man. I can guarantee you that.
319 2021. It's a used battery also, so
Yeah.
Holy crap. Alrighty guys, so that was a complete fail. It did not want to start. I do not know why. It started the first time, had it revving for a bit, and as soon as we pulled the jumper cables off, it died. So anybody knows anything about that, leave a comment in the comment section below. Give me some advice, help a brother out. Marcus, what we learned from this experience?
We learned that we couldn't get it.
We couldn't get it. So I'm gonna take the battery to AutoZone, see if they can check it out for me, and if they can and it's bad, well then good, I'll just get another one. and put it in, and hopefully it starts up. Now we can pop the clutch as well, I think, but we don't have enough manpower to push it. So off to AutoZone, I guess. Alrighty guys, so if you think the location has changed on this, it has, because we finally got it running. It needed a brand new battery, so we ended up getting the new battery because the old one wasn't holding charge. Took it to AutoZone, they tested it, they charged it for an hour and a half, still nothing. So Marcus went with me. Marcus, get up in the shop, man. What are you doing? Yo. So he went with me, we got it, and now we're just gonna check it out. Right now, since I drove it from the back to here, steering super hard. I'm gonna see if there's fluid in the steering. It starts up really nice. And I'm gonna remove this cloth. There was a lot of wasps in here, and I don't know if there's any, so I got the brake cleaner to kill them. And we're gonna move it and run away real fast. So here we go.
Yeah, let me step back. They got a flew out by now. I think we're good.
There ain't nothing in here. There ain't nothing in here. So I think we're solid. We're pretty solid. Let me check this air cleaner, because this was sucking in when we first started it. Marcus, you wanna pop that? I got you, man. I got you, dude.
Hold on.
This one blocked.
Oh, we good.
Alright, I don't know why he sucked down though, but whatever. A little bit dirty, so we can always get a new one of this. We're gonna pop this back in here. We're gonna put this back on. I'm gonna start it up again for you guys so you can hear how it sounds. It's pretty nice. It runs solid, and I checked, there is oil. There is oil in it.
I want to hear how it sounds.
Alrighty, so it's running. Let me give you guys a quick walkthrough of it, so I'm gonna shut it off really fast. Okay, so as we look right now, we can see that there is some oil leaks on the front cover, the valve cover here, so we gotta clean this up. What I'm gonna do is power wash the entire motor, use some super clean, get it all the grease broken down, and give it a good proper cleaning. Once we get that good proper cleaning, we can see what exactly is leaking, so we don't just replace unneeded parts. So let us go inside. And as we go inside, we can see the door is rotten, but that's no big deal because we're always going to take that out. The indication for the left blinker always keeps blinking. That's because this is just broken, so we got to get a new one of that. And driver's door handles, non-existent, so I get out with this prop rod that I kind of lost. Well, he's in there now. There you go, a little prop rod that opens the door. Got some manual levers here for the windows. Haven't seen those in a long time. Other than that, it's been rained on a few times inside, so this is gonna need a really deep cleaning. Mosquitoes probably pool all the way up in that water there, but it's a 5-speed and it's 4-wheel drive, so it's awesome. Alrighty guys, so here in the back, it just has this like really weird clip that kind of holds it, and it's like a makeshift thing, so I guess we can't really store nothing in here because people will steal, or we can just fix that the right way. But just a ton of mess in here, so we definitely have a good video coming up, how to clean the interior. I want to remove everything from carpet, seats, everything, and just give it a thorough clean. There's so much water in here as well because obviously it's busted, so that's an issue. We got to fix that. I have been looking on Facebook Marketplace, and I've seen some used ones that people are selling parts off of, so I'm trying to source myself a top, interior driver door handle, and indicator switch. Which I shouldn't have a problem finding them, and if I do, well, I can always buy it new, but I'd rather not because it's a budget build. Man, this little truck is super funny. It's like a little baby Avalanche. All these doors are so rotten on certain spots here. But it's okay because my plans, I think, are to actually remove the doors and put these like makeshift tubular doors, like an off-roading vehicle. I think that will be something super cool. And obviously in the backyard we have some space, so we can do it off-roading. So let's see. I haven't driven stick in a long time, so we're probably gonna get in here and try to do a little quick drive run and see how it is. But yeah, let's do it. A lot of you guys might be wondering, why am I looking so happy? And it's because I love little projects like this. I love vehicles that have been so neglected to the point where nobody wants them anymore, and I like having this project to make them become something again. Now there is a lot of black mold in here. Probably should be wearing a mask. I'm probably gonna have to clean everything super thoroughly, super clean, bleach, all kinds of stuff. But I'm gonna remove all the seats, the carpeting, and everything. So let's just take our time and try to get what we can get done. That's all we can do. I'm excited to see, like, I already have a plan for this. I'm so excited to see it going through. So here is what happened, guys. So I barely, this didn't even come out. This bolt is still in there. All the other bolts are coming out. And this is probably not that great of results right now. That could only mean one thing. The floor is rotted out. So we may have a bigger project on our hands than we thought. Let me get this seat out and I'll update you guys on what I find when I lift up this carpet. Alrighty guys, so I have not taken a look under this carpet yet, but I already feel like there is a lot of rust on this frame. So, well, the floorboard, not the frame, because I haven't even looked underneath yet. But let's lift this up and see together what we're dealing with. Oh, okay, it don't look that bad, I think. I think we might be okay, just that little spot, which will be a quick little weld patch. And I've never welded before in my life, so hopefully I can fix that. But let's get the rest of the interior out and see what we're really dealing with. This side, I don't know if I'm gonna try to refurbish this carpet or if to just throw it out and get something else, because it has been rained on so many times. And I definitely got to get like plastic bags and tape them up on here so the rain can stop entering inside. So looks like it wants to rain right now. I think I should try to do that instead and really take care of what I have. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that really quick episode of me showing you the new project car of King Customs. Now this definitely has a lot of work to do, definitely the interior and the engine. I'm gonna do a complete rebuild on this, from paint to bodywork to engine rebuild. So stay tuned guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. For that, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.